Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon set number 1, new slide, undo, redo, and print for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on the plus button in this section of the screen, I can add in a new slide. I can also click the down arrow and pick on the particular layout I would like to add for my Google Slide Deck. I'll add a section header. If for whatever reason I make a mistake, I can click the undo button and my most recent action will be removed. If I didn't mean to undo what I just did, I can click the redo button and it will correct the previous action. The last icon for this set is the print button. When I click on the print button, it will generate a preview and show me where I can print my Google Slide. In another tutorial, we'll talk about how to alter the print layout. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.